Hey Gate aspirants, welcome back to ShortGATE. Imagine you are at a messy party where everyone's height is completely jumbled. Now you are given a challenge. Line up all the guests from shortest to tallest as fast as you can. Sounds tricky, right? But what if you had a secret trick? Just pick someone in the middle. Split the group into two. Shorter people on one side, taller people on other side, and repeat the magic for each half. Now, what you see? The party shorted in no time. Well, that's exactly what Quickshot does to your data. Today, we are going to learn how this efficient sorting algorithm works, why it's a go-to for large datasets, and how you can add it in your GATE exam. Let's dive in and master Quickshot together. Let's see what is Quickshot. Quickshot is a divide and conquer algorithm that picks a pivot element, then rearrange the array such the elements less than the pivot are on the left and elements greater than the pivot are on the right. The algorithm then recursively applies the same process to the subarray until the entire array is sorted. Let's see how does the Quickshot work. Here, Quickshot works in 4 simple steps. Choose a pivot means select an element from the array to be the pivot, partition the array. Rearrange the array so that all elements smaller than the pivot go to the left and all elements larger go to the right. Then recursively apply Quickshot to the left and right subarray. No need to combine as the array is already sorted once all recursive calls are completed. This efficient approach ensures the array is sorted in a very optimal way. Now, see an example. Let's take the array 10, 80, 30, 90, 40, 50 and 70 and sort it using Quickshot. Let's choose 70 as pivot. Partition the array. After partitioning, elements smaller than 70 like 10, 30, 40 and 50 will be placed to the left and elements greater than 70 will be placed to the right. Now recursively apply Quickshot to the left subarray and right subarray. After the recursive steps, the final sorted array will be 10, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80 and 90. Let's see the time complexity of Quickshot. One of the key strengths of Quickshot is its average case time complexity, that is order of n log n. However, its worst case performance can degrade to order of n square, though this can avoid with good pivot selection. The best case time complexity of order of n log n occurs when the pivot divides the array equally. Then average case comes when random pivot selection, and the worst case occurs when the pivot is the smallest or largest element. Now see the advantages and disadvantages of Quickshot. What are the advantages? Faster in practice for most inputs compared to algorithms like merge sort. In place of sorting algorithms requires little extra memory. High efficient for large dataset. What are the disadvantages? Worst case time complexity, that is order of n square, can be avoided with better pivot selection techniques. Not a stable sort. Does not preserve the relative order of equal elements. Let's now look at how implement Quickshot. The code choose the pivot, partition the array, and then recursively sort the subarray. Quickshot often compared to algorithms like merge sort and heap sort. Quickshot is usually faster in practice for most inputs due to its average case, that is order of n log n complexity. However, merge sort is stable and always guarantees order of n log n time complexity, while Quickshot is not stable and can degrade to order of n square in the worst cases. Choose Quickshot when you need in place sorting and efficient for average cases. Well done on mastering Quickshot. If you are feeling more confident in your GATE preparation. Don't stop here. Let's keep the momentum going. Click the like button if this video is helpful for you. Hit subscribe and join the ShortGATE community for more GATE insights. Drop a comment with any question or topics you want me to tackle next. Feedback shapes to content. Remember, QuickShot is a game changer for both coding and theory. Getting comfortable with it one step closer to hacking GATE. Let's continue this journey and conquer GATE together. Thanks so much for watching till the end. In our upcoming video, we will explore more powerful algorithms and GATE topics to complete your preparation even further. Stay tuned and keep practicing, especially those tricky sorting algorithms like markshot, quickshot, and heapshot. They are your best friends when it's come to cracking it. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and as always, happy shorting.